What's up, fam? Today we're going to be going over how to do a Bulgarian split squat. And this is the Bulgarian split squat. Taking a look at the foot placement, it should be flat on the ground to displace the weight evenly throughout the leg. Using the rear leg, the top of the foot should be placed on an elevated surface to maintain balance throughout the exercise. When performing this exercise, the hand should be firmly gripping the weight alongside the lead leg. Taking a look at the knee placement, it should be bent at a 90-degree angle at the bottom of each rep. Okay, do not do this. Extending the knee past the feet can cause knee pain and injury to the patella tendon. And that's how we do a Bulgarian split squat. Till next time, fam.